Welcome to the Khewra Salt Mines, Pakistan's very own underground wonderland where the walls are salty, the air is fresh, and yes, if you get lost, just follow your taste buds. This isn't just any tourist spot. Forget beaches and mountains, this is a salty adventure like no other. No sunscreen needed, but maybe bring a water bottle. Because after an hour here, your thirst levels will hit desert mode. The history of Khewra Salt Mines goes back over 2,300 years. It was actually discovered when Alexander the Great's army passed through the region. Yep, while Alexander was out conquering the world, his horses were busy licking the rocks and accidentally making the greatest discovery in snack history. Since then, this mine has been producing salt non-stop. In fact, Khewra is the second largest salt mine in the world. That's right, this place is the real reason why Pakistan never runs out of salt for its biryanis. And it's not just any salt, it's Himalayan Pink Salt, the kind fancy chefs sprinkle on your food and charge you double for. Inside the mine, you'll find incredible salt-carved monuments. There's a salt mosque, a salt Minar-e-Pakistan, and even a salt Sheesh Mahal. It's like Pakistan's historical tour, but make it edible. And the air inside? It's naturally purified, which is why there's even a salt therapy clinic inside. Doctors say breathing in this salty air can help with asthma and allergies. So if you've ever wanted a medical treatment that also makes you crave fries, this is the place. Of course, no visit is complete without a souvenir. Khewra salt lamps are world famous. People believe they reduce stress, clean the air, and might even make your ex text you back. No guarantees though. So next time you're looking for an adventure, forget the usual tourist traps and come to Khewra Salt Mines, where the sights are magical, the air is healing, and the only thing salty here is the actual salt. The end. Now go drink some water.